Guys, check this one out. You're looking at a custom fitted grill set we just had done for a customer. Now this is a perm cuts. You can see in between each tooth there's a line, it's a cut. Okay, it gives it that nice definition. It's a 6 top, 6 bottom, 925 sterling silver. Here's the back side. This is real silver, guys. It snaps right on the teeth there. It's made from an actual impression of the customer's teeth, so you're getting a perfect fit with this. Check this out. Beautiful, handmade work. You can do a top, you can do a bottom, you can do a set. That's up to you. Here's the bottom piece. And this is the best of both worlds. It's like having single caps, but as a one-piece grill. It gives you that almost the same look as single caps, but without it being, you know, all separate singles, which is one of our best-selling grills here. Perm cuts, 925 silver. Check us out, guys. Check the link in the description. Takes you right to the product. There it is. Thank you for watching, and as always, y'all have a good one.